Welcome back, and in this video let me help you understand how have we packaged your experience over the next 3 days. We have already shared the course itinerary with you. Day-wise schedule is already mentioned. So every day you will receive the course material of that particular day on your WhatsApp inbox. The formats would be videos, audios, worksheets, PDFs, and assessment links. You might want to take this entire course as a sprint. That means Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Each day when you're receiving your resource materials, you might want to go through them on that particular day itself. However, there are many people who come back to me and say that, Ayan, it's not possible for us because we don't have that much of time. Don't worry. You might also want to take this as a self-paced learning experience. On day one, that means today, we're going to share an assessment with you. This assessment will help us understand the baseline understanding of design thinking. Many of you might be knowing about design thinking already. Many of you might have just started. It's a good start point, by the way. Don't worry about this course. The assessments will help us understand what all things we are going to cover in the next 3 days. Once you complete the entire course over the next 3 days or in a self-paced learning format, we will again send you an assessment. This time, we will be able to see the alpha increase in your knowledge of design thinking. On day 1 and day 2, we are going to cover the core concepts of design thinking. On day 3, we will pick up a real-life challenge. A simple way of picking up a real-life challenge is to define a how might we statement. For example, when I was talking to some of you, I was asked whether we can use design thinking in our organizations. The answer is yes. In that case, an example of a how might we would be, how might we enhance the processes to effect an alpha generation in the outputs. So be excited. On day 3, I will help you pick up the real life projects. What is expected is you get a time frame of 30 days to deploy whatever you're learning on design thinking in your project. As you also know that we have formed 2 groups. In one of the groups, I will be pushing all the course material. Only admins will be able to send messages to this group. We have also formed another group, which is the design thinking community, which is an open network. All the questions and answers, clarifications if any, would be done through that group. I'm also very happy to say that this group remains with us for a lifetime. It's going to be our choice to be in the group, participate in the discussions, and enhance our design thinking knowledge. Many of you might also wonder that all of these videos are already there on YouTube. So why should we pay and come for this kind of a course? Well, the answer is not all the resources would be available on YouTube. For example, the audios, the worksheets, the PDFs, the assignments, the assessments, and at the end of the course, we will also have a completion certificate. So I hope you will have a one-of-its-kind experience. Let's redefine the WhatsApp University and deep dive with design thinking. From the next video onwards, we're going to cover the core concepts of design thinking. So stay tuned, and I'm going to see you shortly.